Hey guys, how many of you have tried Cambodian food? Many of us locked down at home to stay away from coronavirus. Homemade food is the best way to protect yourself. So today, I am going to just show you guys how to make a yummy Cambodian crepe. Make sure you guys watch until the end of the video so you won't miss any step how to make these Cambodian crepes. Also guys, make sure you guys leave me comment down below, and then if you have any question, don't hesitate, just put below, so I will always be back to you guys. Alright guys, let's do it. This is how we start cooking the meat. So first of all, we're gonna just make the pan hot, and then you put olive oil, maybe like 2 tablespoons, like this, and then you let it hot. And first of all, we're gonna put garlic that already chopped. Yep, like this. Yeah, make sure you make it like a little bit brown. Keep until it's brown. Right now it's brown. When it's brown like this, you guys can just put the meat. It's ground beef, but it depends you like though. If you don't eat meat, if you don't eat the beef, we can also use chicken, or we also can use the pork. It's the choice of meat that you like. One more because I have friends. Alright. And after you mix this a little bit, then you can just put another ingredient in. Yeah, mix it a little bit, let it a little bit dry first. And now you can add another ingredients. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And after you put sugar, you can put this one is oyster sauce. Mainly it's just to make like get the flavors for the meat. We're gonna mix them all together. And last thing is black pepper to make the food like smells good. Just a little bit to get the flavors and the smell. And that's it. You're gonna just wait until it's ready. It's not ready yet right now, but all the ingredient is already in here, so you will just have to wait until it's cooked, and then we'll wait to the next steps. Before my meat is ready, I'm gonna start to making sauce. So first of all, we need to squeeze the lemon juice. We need 1 cup of the lemon juice. That's good. Alright, this is how we make the flowers. We use this type of flowers. Actually, it's already say the ingredient and how to use it in the back. So, but I also can tell you guys right now. So first of all, we're gonna just pour it in the bowl. You can use the whole bag. And then, yep, it already comes with other ingredient in there. So I'm just going to just pour it in there. Okay, sorry, did not prepare for this. Yep, mainly it's a kind of turmeric to make the flower colorful and yellow. And this one, I think it has the green onion, the dry green onion and the powder, and the flavors in there too. So we all in there. And then let me move this. For water, yeah, we need 750 to 800 milliliters. So mainly it's just gonna be 3 of the cups. Yeah, 3 cups water actually. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. And you might can use a little bit of coconut oils in there to make it like smooth, soft, and more flavor. Coconut creamer actually, not coconut oil. Make sure coconut creamer. We have the old one from last time, so we're gonna just use the old one. It's not like this actually. This is just the old container. Maybe you can just use half of it. There you go. Good. And eggs. 3 eggs. And then we're gonna just mix it together. Alright, next up we're gonna make the sauce. This is how we make the sauce. The ingredient is fish sauce. So we use 1 fish sauce, 1 of lemon juice. We will just mix them together, and then 1 sugars. It is just white sugars. And then we need 3 cups of water. 1, 2, and 3. So we will do the same. Okay, we're gonna just make it a little bit together. You can stir it. And the reason that I put in the pan like this, because we're gonna need to boil it to make it like boiling a little bit before we add another ingredients. So another ingredient, it will be just pepper, and if you like carrot, maybe you can make like a small pieces of carrot and put it there to make it like colorful. It's beautiful. And I love spicy, so I'm gonna put a lot of chili in there. Alright guys, we're gonna boil this one. Carrot, we're gonna just chop it to make it like small slices that we can put with the sauce. I don't know if you guys know how to use a knife like me, like this. Maybe not, but if you have the shredder, you can shred it. But I don't have the shredder, so I'm just gonna do my own way, Cambodian way, just like this. So that way you can get the small slices of carrot like this. Okay, right now we prepare to make the crepes. Yeah, we have the bean sprouts that we put in. You can put in the microwave for 3 minutes or maybe 4 minutes. It's depend on how much you put in there. And then this is the green spinach. Yeah, I like it. And you can also use like other kind of salad. This is the meat that we already prepared. And then this is the flowers that we mixed it before. And when you guys make it, make sure you guys put the pans really hot before you make it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. Alright guys, make sure you guys stick with me and see what or how we're gonna make it. We're gonna just put a drop of olive oil to make sure the grape won't stick on the pan. And you have to make sure put the pan until really hot. Maybe I think 10 to 20 seconds. And then you use this. It's hard to measure this one. It depends on how big you want it. So I use just one of these and then I will just refill it later. Just gonna go like this. And then maybe you can add a little bit more, and then you can just shake it like this. And then if you can see the hole like that, maybe you can just refill the hole and wait until it's ready. Yeah, we wait until these are gonna be cooked like this. Maybe you can see the liquid, right? We wait until the liquid is gone, and then you also can see the brown, and it's gonna open up like this. So yep, go like this. You can even flip it. Alright, right now we're gonna put some green spinach, a little bit right there, and the bean sprouts. So I'm using my hand, but anyway, my hand is clean, guys, don't worry. And we're gonna put the meat that we cook. It depends how you want it, actually, the same. If you like more meat, you can put more. And yeah, if normally, yes, you can just do however you want, actually. So I like more meat, so I put a little bit more. And also for the meat, you guys can also put the shrimp in there if you want to, just to make it like taste better, or yeah, more flavors. I think it starts brown right now. You guys can just leave it up like this. Oh, start to break. Maybe pull back a little bit, and then yep, flip it like that. Alright, this is last thing we do, you know, after we boiling the sauce, and we need to let it cold, completely cold actually. So after we let it cold, we're gonna just put more ingredient in there. It is the smashed garlic. We're gonna just put in there like this. And then if you love spicy, here it is chili. And this is the carrot that I shredded earlier. We also just put in there. And then peanut, if you are not allergic to peanut, we also gonna just put it in there too, just like that. And yep, stir a little bit, and there we go, ready to serve. Alright guys, okay, please come and try with me. Alright guys, this is the end. This is called yummy Cambodian grapes. Okay, the sauce right there. And you guys can also add some other vegetable that you like lettuce or yeah, other thing that you like. Alright, I'm going to eat right now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much for all your support, guys. Thank you.